Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about the role of social media in our life. Social media has become an important part of modern communication. It allows people to connect with friends, share ideas, learn new things, and stay informed about events around the world. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube provide opportunities for education, entertainment, and personal growth. Social media can also help people build businesses, develop skills, and reach a global audience. However, it is important to use social media wisely and responsibly. Spending too much time online can reduce productivity and affect our daily life. We should focus on learning useful information, sharing positive content, and maintaining a healthy balance between online and offline activities. When used correctly, social media can be a powerful tool for learning, communications, and success.